Okay, good day everyone. I just want to quickly explain how to create a simple journal interior. So I already explained how to create paperback, and if you can remember, for our paperback we selected what 120 pages and what 6 by 9. So there are different ones that we can use. There's 8.5 by 11, but we selected what 6 by 9 inches and 120 pages. So you come here, click create a design. Can you see custom size? So click it. Then here, can you see 6 by 9, and make sure it is in inches, not pixel. Inches, select inches, IN. Then click create new design. Now you can start designing your own from scratch, but I'm a little bit lazy. So on design, click template. So search for journals. So can you see different journals? So you want the first page to be attractive. So this one is the interior. Make sure you remember there's a difference between interior and what and cover. This one is the interior. We have designed cover. This one is the interior. Okay, let's use this. Welcome to my journal. Now to duplicate or to add new page, we are going to click this word to add new page. Can you see it? Good. Nice. So for this add new page, you're going to select something else. Now this one is where they will write on. So this one is great. 5 minutes journaling. Nice. So can you see? So how many pages do we have now? We have what? This is 2. So this is 2 pages. But what did we say will be on the journal? 20 pages. So what we're going to do is that to make it easier, we'll just keep duplicating till we get to 120. So can you see? 10 till we get to 120. Can you see? So let me just pause the video while I do it. Okay, 120 pages complete. Complete there. Can you see that it's actually very easy? Very easy. Can you see? 120 pages. So you click share, you click download, and make sure you don't download it in PDF or PNG. If you download it in PNG, it will be a lot and it will just be useless. So you are going to use PDF print because they are going to print it. PDF print, select, then click download. So that's incredible. So on Amazon KDP, they will ask for 2 things: your cover, and we already have our cover. Where is our cover? I'm sorry, let me go and look for our cover. Okay, I found our cover. So can you see, we already have our cover. This is our cover. So when they ask for cover, this is what they want, and when they ask for interior, this is what they want. So we have already downloaded our interior. So if you go to downloads, you'll be able to see it. So can you see? This is it. Can you see? 120 pages complete. So let there be no issue at all. And let me now explain something further. So in case you don't want to do the small books, that you want to do coloring books, for example, and you come here and you search for coloring book, coloring book. Now you see all these books, they always have their own sizes. So for example, let's click, this one is paid, this one is paid. Okay, this one is free, so click it. Good. So if you notice something, I remember I said that some will be what, 8.5 by 11 inches. So can you see it here? Good. So click on customize this template. Good. Can you see there is only one thing that is there now? So you can click add, then delete all these ones. Good. So it's about what? This one is sketchbook. So remember I said this one is interior, this one is not cover. So imagine I design a full interior and they're like, let's say 24 pages. So I'll go to bookowl.com. Remember this one is what, 8 by, can you see, 8.5 by 11. So let's say there are 25 pages after I finish designing, which I will still show you how to design, but let me just quickly show you this one. I think I showed it at the end or so. So I will go to bookout. This one is what, 8.5 by 11. Now I'm not using 6 by 9 like this one. I'm not using 6 by 9 like this one. Can you see? I'm not using 6 by 9 like this one. This one is a different type of book, and this one is a what, different type of book. So this one, they said it is 8.5 by 11. So I'll come here, I'll click what, KDP cover template generator. Good. Then I'll type what, 8.5 by what, 11. That's even the example that they gave. And page count, I'm not using this the 120 pages because this one is just what, 25 pages for this book. So I'll come here, put my email, then okay, maybe next time. Good. Can you see? So let's go to my Gmail. Now can you see? So it is the PDF that I'm downloading because that's what I need, the PDF. Good. So when I download the PDF, I'll go to my downloads, I'll be able to see it. It's still downloading, just give it a minute. Good. So now remember that when we wanted to design our cover, this is what we put for the last one, 12.52 by what, 9.25. So for this one, what are we going to put? Can you see it here? 17.306 by 11.25. So to design my cover, so this one is interior. Remember I said there are two things, interior and what, cover. So to design my cover, I'll click what, create a design, custom size, then I will check here 17.306. I'll type it. I'll make sure it is in inches first. 17.306 by, can you see what it says here, 11.25. I'll put what, 11.25. Create new design. Good. Can you see? Then what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to upload this cover template. And why it is good to upload your cover template, so that you know the angles, so that you know where you have passed the middle. So I'll drop it here, give it a minute to upload. So can you see it? You just drag and drop it. You drag and drop. Can you see? To fill the entire space. Make sure you don't do it twice anyways. So you just design on this one like I explained. So when you are done designing, you click share, you click download, you download it as PDF print. You download this one as PDF print too, and make sure like I said, this one I said is going to be what, 25 pages. So in this video, let me show you the video how to, nope, yes, in this particular video I explained how to uh design interior. So I'll suggest you watch the videos. I explained a lot. Can you see? I explained how to design coloring books. I explained a lot. But this was the part that I was just giving people much issues, so I had to break it down well. So remember, you design the cover and the interior separately. Cover, interior separately. So the interior, don't get it mixed up. It can also be called manuscript. So in case if you see manuscript, don't get confused. You see the same thing as interior. Okay. So remember, why I added 120 pages here, sorry, not there, here, is because it is 120 pages that we wanted, and that's what we designed our book cover on. So if our book cover had 50 pages, our interior must have 50 pages. So if your interior has let's say your interior now has 50 pages, and on your book cover it says 120, the cover will be too big. It will be too big for the interior. So hope you understand that. So if the number of pages that you have on your book is different from the number of pages that you have on your cover here, it will be either too small for it or too big for it. So they have to match. If it says 120 pages here, you have to have 120 pages here. So this one, like this one now, it says what? It says 25 pages. So we cannot have more than 25 pages here. So when we are designing, we have to design 25 pages specifically. And if you want anything higher than 25 pages, you have to go back to Bookal and generate a new cover. So that's why I usually suggest it to people, that you should first create your interior before creating the cover, so you know the number of pages that you have created. So when you go to Bookal, you just put the number of pages there. So thank you very much.